Boom! At the open, our all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad light. She fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. and I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them cans, make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? And make profits. Hey, Suge, Mike, what we doing, dog? Make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Hope you all had a fantastic day. Today, it's a brand new start to a week, and it's a damn good one. My name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I've been trading and investing for over 17 years, and I began my career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my very first job right out of college, where I had to go through an educational training program before they let me touch even $1 of their money. And then 2008 happened. That was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader at True Trading Group, along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff. We have helped thousands of traders from 115 different countries. We have members, yes, in 115 different countries, truly a global community here at True Trading Group. We've helped them reach their goals. Now, for those of you that don't know, TTG is the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university and professional level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We also do all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading, and also, yes, long-term investing. There's something for everybody inside True Trading Group. Now, at True Trading Group, guys, we take that university and professional level of curriculum, basically a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. And we combine that with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 to $6,000 a year on their own, but they give you more information. They help you make better decisions. They increase your chances of success, but most retail traders don't use them because they're expensive, $5,000 to $6,000 a year. That's a lot of money to ask somebody to pay. I know that. That's why we have spent years building relationships with these companies so we can put their tools, products, and resources on our platform at no additional cost to you. So right away, it saves you around $5,000 or $6,000 a year and gives you access to all of those tools. Not to mention you have access to our members. Our members are the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you'll ever going to find. Not to mention you get all the real-time trade alerts from moderators and myself that have collectively as a group been able to maintain a win rate on all of our executions of just around 80% now going on the last 3 years. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, folks, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, I go live right here, totally free, where myself and other TTG Pro Trading mods and special guests give you golden nuggets, free lessons, education, trade ideas that can help you all become better traders. So again, if you are new, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Let's make sure that you guys never miss out on any of these live streams, because every single one of these live streams, we give you lessons, we give you trade ideas, analysis, and our own positioning to help you make money. So go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Okay. Now, I really want to take a second before I get into everything that I want to cover on this live stream. Way to go, Elvis. Elvis says $146 profit for the day. Got done at 11 a.m. Still killing that target of $100 plus a day. Thank you, TTG. My boy Elvis, great job, man. Congrats. 180% gain on the NVDA calls. Way to go, Janelle. Absolutely incredible. So I want to take a second. All right. I really want to take a second, and I would like to congratulate everybody that signed up to True Trading Group last night. Honestly, I want to thank everyone that signed up over the last couple of months or ever, honestly, for that matter. I want to congratulate anybody that just has been signing up to True Trading Group. Yes, a 30-minute trade, 180% gains. I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, you know what, guys? We got to give a big shout out. I want to welcome everybody from Stockmaster. We have our friends over at the Stockmaster app joining us here today. So guys, give a shout out there. Welcome all of you that are joining us from the Stockmaster app. Listen, You need to see this. Okay. Everyone that's joining us from the Stock Master app, you guys need to see this. I got something I'm going to show you. Stay exactly where you are. I'm telling you, you're going to want to see what I'm going to show you. Okay. Everyone that's tuning in from Stock Master, you stay right where you are. Do not go anywhere. Trust me, you guys are going to want to see this. All right. Way to go. WCR made $170 while at work today. I like to hear that. I really like to hear that. So here's what I want to go over with you guys, right? I want to congratulate everybody that signed up at True Trading Group last night and everyone that signed up over the last couple of months. Every single time that we come on here, and I said it last night, and honestly, it really does bear repeating. I hang my neck out there on these live streams. Okay. I tell you when I think that we're going to make money. I tell you how I think we're going to make money. I tell you what I think the markets are going to do. I give you my top trade ideas ahead of time. I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I don't come on these live streams and tell you, oh, this is what happened yesterday. No. Yeah, I'll go over what happened today. I'll go over some lessons. I'll recap trades from the day, but I also tell you exactly what I think is going to happen tomorrow, exactly what I think is going to happen next week, where I'm positioned and how I plan on making money. I really put my neck out there. A lot of people don't do that. They're too scared to do that. They don't trust their own analysis enough to do that. And I'm not going to be right every single time. I have red days. I make red trades, right? I'm human. But I am right way more often than not when this stuff really just is coming to fruition. Everything that I have been saying for the last several months, for the last couple of weeks about this market and what this market was going to do is coming to fruition. And today I'm going to talk to you about how do I do it? Because if anyone has been following these live streams for the last couple of months, then you probably are wondering, how is it that the things that I am talking about, how are they coming to fruition? How am I doing that? Is it because I'm psychic? Is it because I travel to the future and then I come back and tell you what happened? Do I have this secret to the stock market that I learned, some special indicator at the hedge fund that nobody else knows about? No. Is Miss Cleo my mom? No. I'm going to answer all of those questions for you guys here on this live stream. What is it that I'm doing? What am I looking at? What am I using to make these type of determinations? But first, what I'm going to do is I want everyone here to pay attention because I have about a 1 minute and 45 second video clip that I want to show you because the other day somebody had said to me, oh, well, it's real easy to be right after the fact, right? And of course, it's easy to be right after the fact. It's easy to look back at a chart that's already happened and be like, oh, this is why this happened. That's easy, right? This person was basically insinuating, though, that I haven't said what I'm going to do, which I tell you every single day, just like I did last night. This is what I'm going to do tomorrow. This is what I think the markets do. This is what I think these individual stocks are going to do. And this is how I'm going to be positioned going into it. This person said things like, when was the last time you said that volatility equaled opportunity? When was the last time that you said that now is the time for me to get involved in the markets? So what I actually did today was I had our videographer, his name is Jeremy. I had our videographer go back through several different live streams over the last 2 months or so. And he has put together a 1 minute and 45 second montage because I want to show you all what I have been saying well in advance. And then I'm going to show you all exactly what happened. And I'm going to show you exactly what happened today. Because everything that I've been saying over the last 2 months has come to fruition. So we're going to talk about that. But then everything I said to you last night also came to fruition today. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to break that down. I'm going to show that to you guys here on this live stream. So without any further ado, bear with me, guys. Minute and 45 second clip. Let's go ahead and roll it. So I went over a bunch of lessons with you guys last night that I believe would help you make money in the markets tomorrow as I expect volatility to pick up. I think volatility is going to pick up. And when I think we're about to get some really good trading opportunities, I tell you guys, volatility is a trader's best friend. Volatility equals opportunity. Volatility equals bigger moves. Bigger moves equal potential for bigger gains. I told you that everything had changed. I told you that intense volatility was on its way into this market and that it was going to create massive trading opportunities. 100%, 37%, 50, 50, 50, 44, 51, 95, 61% gains. These are all trades that were done before lunchtime, before 12 noon Eastern time. Now think about what that would do for you and what you would do with the rest of your day if those are the type of gains that you can grab before lunchtime in what is supposed to be one of the slowest times of the market. We told you guys a couple of days ago that everything has changed. Once that credit rating cut happened, everything's changed. So all that credit rating cut did was provide intense volatility to trade the movements and also a buying opportunity. I warned you this was coming. I told you prepare for it. Members of True Trading Group are making money throughout this process. You guys, if you've been sitting on the sideline throughout this entire time, I'm telling you now, you're missing these trading opportunities that take place on a daily basis. It's been the third week in a row where I told people that we were going to absolutely kill it. I told you this on last Sunday's live stream, that it was going to be another big week. And I told you it was going to be a big week because you had earnings and the Fed meeting. And I think it's going to be a big week, man. I think it's going to be a big week. I've got some long ideas. I got some short ideas, depending on what happens with these catalysts. I just think it's going to be a great week. Get your butts in chat, guys. I'm telling you, this is going to be the fourth week in a row that I'm telling you that we're going to kill it. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that for a moment. Okay. Just shout out to Jeremy, our videographer. Just a great job on just kind of slicing and dicing that up for us. But let's actually take a look at what has actually happened now. Because now you just saw between July and August, you saw me telling you, about, hey, this is the opportunity. I think volatility is going to pick up. I think we're going to have some really good trading opportunities here, what is typically and historically a slow time in the market. July and August is usually a time where volume is lighter. It's usually a time where there's not as much movement in the markets. It's a time when the moves, when you do get them, they're a little bit smaller. Okay. It's not really a time where you're supposed to be ripping off triple-digit gains every single week, but that is the reality of what's taken place. You take a look just at a couple of our trades over the last couple of weeks. UPST, 70% gain on put options to the downside. SVFB was a small cap. That was a day trade for 47% gain. Then you had SEDG off of earnings, just like UPST was, and that was over a 100% gain on put options. Then you had Tupperware, which was a 37% gain. You had Kava, which was a 2-week-long swing trade in the month of July. That was over 100% gain. You had Snowflake. That was a swing trade on July 20th into the 21st. That was 100% gain on put options. You had UPST on the way to the upside. We caught UPST to the upside in early July, and that was good for about a 50% gain. We did a swing trade on NVDA to the upside when we broke out the new all-time highs. That was good for a 250% gain. These are just a couple of my trades from July and August. And you have Shy, another one of our professional trading mods into your trading group, a swing trade on Palo Alto puts. That was 216%. A swing trade on Snowflake puts. That was 158%. A swing trade on EMPH puts, that was 240%. A couple day trades mixed in there for 78%, 58%, 44%, 51%, 95% on AMD, and 61% on Netflix. Then you bring in one of our newest moderators, Uni, Andreas, 68% gain on Sunrun, 74% gain on Amazon. Chris Toner coming in with the swing trade, Disney on put options for 110% gain back there in the end of July. These are just a handful of trades that we've been ripping off here between July and August. So that video clip that we just showed you was me basically telling you for the last 2 months that I don't think this is going to be a slow period. Historically, July to August usually is. It's a time when most traders go on vacation. Wall Street, hedge fund managers, they go to their houses on the Hamptons and they just relax. And it's not as much action. But you want to talk about action? Guys, just before lunch, look at these are some of the trades that were done before lunchtime. The 70% gain on UPST was before lunch. Both small caps, 47 and 37% gain, were done before lunchtime. That's before 12 p.m. Eastern. We're done with these trades. 50% on UPST, 50% on Coinbase, 50% on Microsoft, 44% on Netflix, 50% on Alphabet, 95% on AMD, and 61% on Netflix. These are trades that we were in and out and done, profit in our pocket before lunchtime. These are just some of the trades. These aren't all of them. There's 9 professional traders that are into your trading group. I just grabbed a handful. Just going to show you guys an example of what's been going on here over the last 2 months. So, and stand by for more, because I'm going to show you what happened today and how what we said last night on the live stream, I want to show you how it was called absolutely perfectly. Because last night on our live stream, I go live every single night on Sunday evening, and I give you my top trade ideas for the week. And one of my top trade ideas coming into today, I told you this last night. I said today, my top trade idea is Amazon. And I told you last night that I think we can get a 60% gain on call options on Amazon today. I told you that last night on the live stream. So what we're going to do is I've got it's a 1-minute video clip of me going over, breaking down, analyzing, telling you exactly what the game plan is on Amazon. And then let's watch that video clip and then let's see what actually happened today. Let's go ahead and play that clip. Since we're at that big level of support, you got to watch the market to try to bounce off that level at least once. So what are the stocks that I want to try to be long if the market's going to bounce off that area? Amazon is definitely going to be one of them. Amazon is holding above this previous level of resistance. Okay, here's this level of resistance right around 136. See that 136? You had the big gap up on earnings, and the stock has been holding above this 136 level. As long as Amazon is above 136, I'm looking at this stock for the potential long. And if the SPY bounces off that 50-day moving average, I think you see Amazon put in a candle that looks something like this. Okay, Amazon is going to be a name that I'm going to look for really for the long this week. It's not a volatile stock. The options are pretty cheap. You can capitalize on this from like a 138 entry, and I think this stock can get to 141, maybe 142. That can give us a 50, 60% gain on call options. That's exactly what I'm going to look for there on Amazon coming into this week. Okay, now I hope you were paying attention, because I went as far last night as to draw the candle that I thought Amazon was going to put in today. You saw me draw it on that video clip. Look at the candle that Amazon put in today. That is literally exactly what I drew last night. Exactly. You want to know what the low of the day is today on Amazon? So you heard me say in that video clip, you heard 2 very specific prices. Getting in long at 138. You guys want to know what the low of the day is today for Amazon? 137.75. And I said, I think the stock can get to 141. You want to know what the high of the day is today for Amazon? 140.75. I said, I think we can see a 50 to 60% gain on call options. Well, members got in the 138 strike, August 18th expiration call option at $2. It went to $3.35. You want to know what that gain comes out to? About 67%. That's what happened today inside of True Trading Group. This is trade of the day for me. This is where I made my money today. It is exactly what I said was going to happen last night. I come on here and I stick my neck out there. I tell you exactly what I think is going to happen, and I won't be right every time, but I'm right a hell of a lot more than I am wrong. And I am telling you what I am going to be doing before it actually happens. And I am not just the only one that's making money from this analysis. You might think, oh, well, maybe Mike, you're the only person that can make money from this stuff. Wrong. Members of True Trading Group are making money, and they're becoming better traders because of all of this as well. If you don't believe me, watch this. Members, do me a favor. Type the number 1 in chat right now. If you're a member of True Trading Group and you are making money and you are becoming a better trader, I want you to go ahead right now and type the number 1 inside of chat. Now, anybody that's on this live stream that has any skepticism or doubt in their mind whatsoever, I want you to pay attention, try to count how many people are going to type the number 1, because every single person that you are about to see type the number 1, and I know you're not going to be able to count them because I know there's going to be too many for you to count. I see the results that members have. I talk to our members every single day. I do one-on-one mentor sessions on a daily basis. So do the rest of our professional traders to work one-on-one individually with our members. I see the results they have. I know you're not going to be able to count all these number 1s, but these folks, these are your peers. These are your friends. These are your family members. These are your coworkers. This is your Uber driver. This is your doctor. This is your lawyer. This is your accountant. This is the guy that you drive by on the highway that's working on construction on the side of the road. This is the person that's working on your car when you need new brakes. This is your daughter's school teacher. If these people can do this, then so can you. There is absolutely nothing that is preventing you from taking advantage of this market. Now, some of you may think, oh, well, you know what? I have a full-time job. I've got a busy schedule. I can't do this. And if you think that, then you would be completely dead wrong. And you are thinking off of antiquated times. And this brings me back to what I talked about last night on the live stream. It brings me back to everything that I talked about last night on the live stream. What used to work no longer works. I told you on last night's live stream that I think that things have changed. I do not expect this market to go back to the type of market that we saw prior to the pandemic, because before the pandemic, there were several major stock market crashes since 1929, 1929 being the worst, right? And the Great Depression followed. You had 1929, you had 1987, you had 2000, you had 2008, you had 2020, you had 2022. Now, each time that there was a crash, you had several years of volatility. Market crashes don't just happen and the volatility appears and disappears within a day or a month. The volatility sticks around for a couple of years. You've seen that so far this year and last year and the year prior, ever since the COVID crash of 2020. You've seen the amount of volatility and has not gone anywhere. It's 2023. We're more than halfway through 2023. You are 3.5 years away off of that COVID drop, and that volatility is still here. It's going nowhere. I believe very strongly that there is a direct correlation between technology and the advancement and evolution of technology and how it changes the stock market and changes how finance works. When I started trading in 2007, when I started working for the fund in New York, you couldn't just go on your smartphone, open up a trading account, pay zero commissions, transfer money within 5 minutes, and all of a sudden you were a trader. And now you can buy shares of Apple and AMD and NVDA, and you can buy shares of Tesla, and you can buy put options on Tesla, and you can go and buy call options on Rivian, and you can do all these different things. Guys, go ahead and smash that like button if you guys are appreciating some of the commentary and the content here on this live. Go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Come on, smash that like button for me. You got about 700 people that are on this live stream with me here now. Go ahead and smash that like button. I get it. It's Monday afternoon, right? I get it. It's a Monday afternoon. Let's get to 500 likes. I want to see 500 likes on this video, folks. Because I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you how I did what I did in Amazon. You saw the video clip. I told you buy it at 138. I think we go to 141, and I think we can get a 60% gain. Well, I bought the stock today at 137.94. It went to 140.75, and we caught a 60% gain on call options. 65% to be exact, or 67, whatever it was. I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. It's not because I can predict the future. It's not because I have some special indicator that you guys don't have access to. It's not some special trick that I learned working on Wall Street. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. But when you go back to 2007, you didn't have access like you have now. Just think of all of you that are on this live stream right now. Think about how easy it is for you to get access to information. Think about how easy it is for you now to just go on your smartphone, open up YouTube, and listen to a professional trader that received a Trader of the Year award while working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City. He's been trading for over 17 years. Think about how easy it is for you to get access to insight information and trade ideas and analysis from someone like that. How many people here? Let me real quick. Type the letters TTG if you guys are not a member of True Trading. But I just want to see how many people that are on here right now are not members. If you're not a member, go ahead and type the letters TTG. If we get enough people to type TTG, if you guys are not members, if there are enough non-members, type TTG, perhaps we'll give away $1,000, or maybe we'll give away a free membership to one of you that are not members of True Trading Group. So if enough people type TTG, if we have enough non-members on here, we'll give away $1,000, or maybe we'll give away a free membership. So go ahead and type TTG if you guys are not members. We got Tactical Reviews. How are you? David Meter, Robert, Skis, Omar. Andrew wants a trillion cars. I don't know what you're going to do with a trillion cars, Andrew. Primac, Stim, Joseph. We got Christian Roberts. Again, if enough people, if there's enough non-members on here, maybe we'll give away $1,000 or we'll give away a free membership to you guys. Real Now, Chrissy Anderson. Oh, I feel like I'm going to sneeze. We got Brandon Johnson. Good luck with auto insurance. We got Chris. We've got George. Hell yeah, Kenny. 34% gain on AMD today, 22% gain on Alphabet, all while working nonstop. Thanks for the alerts, Uni. It's one of our other professional trading mods. We got Dustin. Cora just wants to pay for college. I love that. I'm with you on that one. We got Stony. Like you playing my irons are Callaways. I got the Callaway Apex Pros. My irons are Callaways. My driver and my putter and all my woods and hybrids are TaylorMades. But my irons are Callaways. I love them. Yes, the multi-card discount for Andrew. Andrew wants a trillion cars. Everyone that's listen, real quick. Everyone that's typing TTG, stay on this live stream. Okay? If you just typed TTG, this is what I want you to do. I'm going to do something really cool for you guys. Everyone that's not a member that's on here, this is what I want you to do. I want you to open up a new web browser. I want you to go to ttgthree.com. That's TTG3 spelt out.com. Go there and register for our trial membership. Okay? Register for our trial membership. Anyone that signs up for the trial in the next 10 minutes, you will be in the running. I'm going to do it. We're going to do a nice little giveaway here for you guys. So anyone that is not a member, if you go to ttgthree.com, that's TTG3 spelled out.com, join our trial. You will be in the running for either $1,000 or a free membership, whichever you choose. Now, the trial is going to cost you $3. The reason why we charge $3 is just to make sure that you're a real person. We maintain a very high quality chat room with thousands of people focused on making money. I don't want people just signing up to our trial membership for free and just spamming a bunch of nonsense in chat and starting trouble and distracting people from the trading session. So we charge you $3 just to prove that you're a real person. And there is no automatic renewal. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no automatic upgrade. It's a one-time payment of $3, again, just to make sure that you guys are a real person. All right. Now, here's the deal. Go to ttgthree.com. Enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the application, and sign up for the trial. The trial gives you 7 trading days, not 7 calendar days, 7 trading days inside the True Trading Group platform and the True Trading Group chat. So you can see what it's like to be a member of the community. But if you do so within the next 10 minutes, stay on this live stream because I'm going to give some time and let people sign up for the trial. Later on this live stream, I'm going to do a giveaway, and every person that joins the trial, I'm going to put your name on a random name picker that's called the Wheel of Names. We will spin that wheel here live. If your name is called, you've got a choice. Either take a free $1,000 or take a free annual membership, all-inclusive membership to True Trading Group, which I'd assure you is worth a hell of a lot more than $1,000. Members of True Trading Group, what do you guys think a membership is worth? Members, what do you think a membership to TTG is worth? Just sound off in chat. This is for members. Obviously, if you're not a member, you really don't know because you haven't experienced it yet. But if you are a member of TTG, what would you say? What do you think a membership is worth in your eyes? The value that you would put on the TTG membership. You guys can go ahead and comment in chat right now. But there's the timer. All right, we've now started up the timer. All right. Not yet. It's actually not started yet. I thought it started ticking. It has not started yet. But here, look at some of these comments, guys. 5,000, 5 to 10,000, 5 to 10,000, 10K, 10K, priceless. Price, okay, $5,000, $3,500, a whole hell of a lot more. 5K, 5K. So it seems like the majority of people here are telling that they believe that the membership is worth about 5K, at least twice what you guys charge. 5,000. It's a hell of a lot more than 1,000, 5,000, 5,000. All right. Seems like, and the timer has started, folks. The timer has started. So you have 10 minutes. Okay. If you're not a member, you have 10 minutes to go join the trial. Go to ttgthree.com. That's ttg3 spelled out.com. And if you sign up within the next 10 minutes, I will put your name on the random name picker called the Wheel of Names. We'll spin the wheel. If your name is called, you will win either $1,000 or a free membership, whichever you choose. All right. So again, that's ttgthree.com. It is worth $2,000 in gains I've made above my initial sign-up cost, and that's since June 6th on a $500 starter account. Now, that's incredible. That's awesome. You just joined True Trading Group on June 6th with $500. They've already made over $2,000 in gains above the sign-up cost. Now, this person has paid anywhere from $1,000 to $1,100 for their annual membership, and they have now made that membership fee back and are now $2,000 into the green, all on a $500 account from June 6th. Guys, don't forget, that trial membership, there is no auto renew. So after your 7-day trial is up, it just expires and you're never charged anything ever again. It is a one-time payment of $3 just to make sure that you're a real person. Again, there is no automatic renewal. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no automatic upgrade. It's not like, oh, on the 8th day, it automatically upgrades you to a membership and then you're charged the full amount. No, it's a one-time payment of $3. Oliver, Rob, welcome to the trial. So Oliver and Rob, you and Dylan, you got David, you guys have about 25% chance each of winning $1,000 or getting a free membership. So we got Oliver, Rob, Dylan, David already went ahead and joined that trial membership. Guys, it's $3. You're going to be in chat with us for 7 full trading days. Christopher, welcome. Christopher just joined the trial. You guys are all in the running now. Either $1,000 or a free membership. Start thinking about what you're going to take. Now, I'm telling you what you already know what I'm going to tell you. And it's not just because I own True Trading Group. I'm telling this because this is what members are telling. Members of True Trading Group, whoever wins today, do you think they should take the $1,000 or should they take the membership? What do you think? What do you think? Dave, welcome. Dave just joined the trial. Members, what do you think? Should they take the membership or should they take the $1,000? I think maybe getting your guidance and getting your advice is probably pretty solid. You guys have already experienced what it's like to be part of the family. So David, Christopher, or George. George just joined now as well. George, welcome. Good luck, guys. I told you I was going to do something really cool for non-members. If enough people type TTG, we had a good handful of new faces that are with me here today. You have less than 7 minutes now. The ticker is counting. The clock is ticking. Ticker is counting. The clock is ticking. You guys have under 7 minutes now to go to ttgthree.com. That's TTG3 spelled out. It's a one-time payment of $3. There's no automatic renewal, no funny business. But listen to me carefully, guys. You have to stay on this live stream. Okay? You have to stay on this live stream because if your name is called, okay, if your name is called, you have to tell us what you want to do. You have to stay on this live stream. You can't just sign up for the trial and then dip out. Stay on this live stream. You're going to have 2 minutes to text a phone number that we put on the screen. So once we do this giveaway, once this timer is done, Danny, welcome. Danny, good luck. I can't wait to trade with all of you guys tomorrow inside chat. All right, so if your name is called when I spin that wheel, we're going to put a phone number on the screen. You will have 2 minutes to text that phone number, okay? You'll have 2 minutes to text that phone number and tell us what you want to do. Oh, nice. Dylan Carson. Is that you, bro? I assume that's the same Dylan. Yeah, Dylan Carson. Oh, Dylan, that's awesome, man. Good luck. Good luck, Dylan. I'm rooting for you, man. Dylan has been a viewer of quite a few of these live streams. Has been, trying to get ready to join the TTG fam. And I believe that's the same Dylan that probably just joined the trial. So good luck. We got Brandon, we have Eric, and we have Martin also just joined. Guys, good luck. You've got 5 minutes. Go to ttgthree.com. Again, that's ttg3 spelled out.com. You have 5 minutes to still do so, and then we're going to close it down. And whoever we've got, we're going to spin that wheel, either $1,000 or a free membership. So good luck to you all. And honestly, guys, even if you don't win the free membership, you're going to be in chat with us for 7 trading days. Really see what it's like to be a member of True Trading Group. Really see what it's like to be guided through a whole trading day by 9 professional traders. And remember, guys, don't forget, it's not just me. I know I'm the person that you see on these live streams every single night, but there's 9 professional traders that are guiding you through each trading session inside True Trading Group. Some trade stocks, some trade options, some do day trades, some do swing trades. There's something for everybody inside True Trading Group, folks. Lavonda, welcome. Lavonda, welcome. Lavonda, welcome. All right, guys, 4 minutes now. I'm excited. I'm excited for this. Oh, guys, while I still have you here, full disclosure, I am still long Amazon. Okay, I forgot to mention, guys. So it's a small piece, though. I have to do the exact math. It's anywhere between 10 to 15% of my original position. So let's actually, while we've got 4 minutes ticking here, I'll just go through and I'll just show you guys this Amazon trade. So I got long Amazon right there at 137.94 right there. Now you heard me last night. I told you last night, guys, I'm going to buy the stock when it gets to 138. I told you that, plain and simple. It gets to 138, I'm going to buy it. I told you that last night. It got to 137.75. My order executed at 137.94. Members jumped in the August 18th, $138 strike call option at $2. And that option went all the way to 341, I believe is the high of the day, 345 maybe, high of the day. I think our last take profit, okay, because my last take profit actually was all the way back here earlier in the day. So right here was I took profit basically on this entire move higher, right? So I took profits off, okay, we took profits off here, here, and here. Okay, so here's where I took profits off on the trade, and I'm still in about 10 to 15% of my position. My final take profit target, folks, is going to be up in this region that we see right in here. I'm just trying to get to like maybe 141.5 to 141.75. I'm just looking for another dollar maybe of upside tomorrow. Again, it's a small piece of the position. It's about 10 to 15% of my position. Looking to get a little extra gravy on top, but the bulk of my position came off the table into this move, and we absolutely nailed this thing. I mean, you just take a look at this, guys. We just damn near bottom tick this thing with that entry at 94 cents. The low was 75 cents, and then it just ripped city. And again, don't forget, stick around here, guys. We've got 2 minutes left on the timer. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. What was it? Why did I say 138? I'm going to be a buyer. What was it? Right? What was it about 138? It's because I can predict the future. No, I cannot predict the future. I wish I could. I'd be a trillionaire by now if I can predict the future. Or if I was able to go into the future and then return back and say, wow, this is what the markets did this year. Man, that would be a whole lot of fun. Oh, that'd be so much fun. Guys, we have less than 2 minutes now. Hurry up. You got 1 minute, 30 seconds. Go to ttgthree.com. You will have a shot at a at a free membership or $1,000. Choice is yours, either $1,000 or a free membership. I highly recommend you take the free membership, but nonetheless, you'll have a chance. It's a one-time payment of $3, folks. There is no automatic renewal. There's no recurring payment. It's a one-time fee. It is a one-time charge. You are never charged anything ever again after your 7-day trial expires. You're never charged anything again. You have to manually, in your account, upgrade to an annual membership if you wanted to. Okay. It doesn't just happen automatically. It's just $3. You all have $3. I know you do. Right. My Starbucks today was like $5. I was very upset. They ran out of the sweet cream cold brew. Wasn't happy about it. But that's like $5. You all have $3. I know you've all spent more than $3 on coffee at Starbucks before, or maybe Dutch Bros for all my West Coasters. 30 seconds, TTG, THREE.com. That is TTG3 spelled out.com. All right, 20 seconds, folks. Good luck. Congrats. Everyone that has already joined the trial, you guys are in for one hell of a treat, man. The chat has been on fire. We really have. I'm very, very proud at a lot of the trading that's been taking place over the last several months, between the moderators and also the members of True Trading Group as well. And there it is. Time is up. Time is up. Tim Hortons, my Canadian friends. It says Tim Hortons coffee, my Canadian friends. All right, guys, so that's it. So time is up. All right, time is up. All right, let me see here. Let's see. Let me see how long, if we're ready. Stay right where you are, guys. In 2 minutes, we'll do this giveaway. In 2 minutes, we will do this giveaway. So here's the deal. If your name is called, you're going to have 2 minutes to send us a text message. We're going to put a phone number on the screen. If your name is called, you got to text that number and tell us, what do you want? $1,000 or a free membership? Okay. Choice is yours. All right, so Adam's going to take everyone's name. He's going to load it up into the wheel of names, and then we'll do that giveaway in just a moment. So again, guys, long still about 10 to 15% of the Amazon position, and just seeing if we get just a little bit more upside tomorrow. That's all. Okay, put a nice little candle here today. But you got to remember, what did we talk about last night? Last night on the live stream, I told you guys that I think that the markets could bounce and then fade later in the week. And if we take a look at what the SPY has done so far, and I'll cover this while Adam is loading up all the names for our giveaway, this is the level, right? We talked about this on the live stream last night. We said, okay, here's your level of resistance, right? Now we dropped down into that level last week, and we held it. And this is also the 50-day moving average. So there's that resistance. And then we drop down this dark blue line. That's the 50-day moving average. You drop down to that dark blue line, 50-day moving average, and we find support. And I told you guys, I think we're going to bounce off this level. From a technical standpoint, I think the market's bouncing here. But I said also on last night's live stream, if you guys caught it, I do not think we're going to get back above this level. These like low 450s, like 452-ish. I don't think we're going to be able to get above that level. So what I think actually ends up happening here as the week goes on is we get a little bit of a technical bounce off this level, but then I think we kind of run out of steam, and then we trade back to the downside and we start flirting again with that 50-day moving average. That's what I think you're going to see happen here in this market. I think we get this little technical bounce off the 50-day, off this support level, and then we pull back maybe later in the week. And we got some catalysts coming up this week that can give us that direction. You got Fed minutes on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. What is that? Okay. The Fed minutes are the notes from the previous Fed meeting. So that's going to be important. That can move the markets. All right. I think we're ready, guys, for the giveaway. All right. So here's the deal. When the winner is announced, all right, so we're gonna pull up the wheel of names here in a moment. When the winner is announced, we need to make sure that they have never been a trial member or an annual member before. And then you'll have a choice between a membership or $1,000. Okay. If you have been a trial member in the past, or you have been an annual member in the past, you will be offered, okay, you will be offered a huge discount if you guys did want to end up signing up. That's if you've already been a trial or an annual member. Okay. If you have not, then the choice is yours, either free membership or $1,000 giveaway. All right. So here we go, guys. Here is everyone's name that just signed up for the trial membership in the last 10 minutes. There you all are. All of your names are on that wheel. We're going to spin this wheel. Now, gang, listen, see the phone number at the bottom of the screen? See that phone number? 786-505-4221. If your name is called, you will have 2 minutes to send a text message to that phone number and tell me, what do you guys want? Do you want the $1,000? Do you want the free membership? Adam, we lost your screen. We lost your screen. All right, guys, we need a minute. We just lost Adam. Adam's got to pull up the wheel of names again so we can spin that wheel. Nice. Way to go, Bruce. Caught a 40% gain today on my SPY analysis. I love it. Nothing makes me happier than when you guys make money off the analysis. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck. We're going to spin that wheel. Round and round we go. Who's it going to be? Who's getting $1,000 or a free membership? Good luck, guys. Dylan Carson. Yes. That's all right. Dylan, my man, congrats. Oh, that's sick. Dylan Carson, congratulations, man. Oh, I'm happy for you. I'm really happy for you, Dylan. I don't think I need to ask you what you want to do. I already know what you want to do, Dylan. Dylan, send a text message right now to the phone number that's at the bottom of the screen, 786-505-4221. Again, that was total coincidence. 786-505-4221. Dylan, text us right now, bro. Text us right now, and I will see your ass in chat tomorrow, man. I'm excited. Oh, man, I'm excited for you, Dylan. I'm excited. And he got it. He already texted us. That's how, look, Dylan already texted us. That's awesome. Welcome to the family, Dylan. And all my TGD members, welcome Dylan to the family. And also welcome all of our trial members. Everyone, listen, if you guys did not just win the giveaway, okay, it's okay. You've got 7 trading days now with myself, 9 professional traders, and the rest of the True Trading Group community. Take advantage of it. Come and chat. Go on the mobile app. Now, listen, if you guys are busy during the day and you can't be in front of your computer, use the mobile app. The mobile app is downloadable for iPhone and Android. Heck yeah, bro. Yeah, hell yeah, Dylan. I'm happy for you, bro. I really am. I'm happy for you, man. Congrats. That's sick. That's sick. That's awesome. Congratulations. Oh, but like I was saying, guys, make sure you download the mobile app. So if you can't be in front of your computer, as long as you have a cell phone, you guys are going to be good to go because you can be connected to our chat room on your phone. You can see the screen share. The moderators and I share our screen with you during the day. We also talk to you on the microphone during the day. We are sending out real-time push notifications through the mobile app when our orders actually execute. So like when my order today filled at 137.94, members instantly got a push notification on their cell phone if they're on the mobile app or inside of chat if you guys are on your desktop or a laptop or whatever, letting members know that I am now long from 137.94. Right? So there you guys have it. Okay. So make sure you download that mobile app if you have a busy full-time job or you have a busy or hectic schedule during the day. All right. So Dylan, I'm happy for you, man. Congratulations. Welcome to the fam and welcome all of our new trial members and the trial members that just signed up. Don't be shy. Like, don't think just because you're not a member that you can't communicate in chat. Don't think that you can't comment, you can't ask questions. Like, really see what it's like to interact with members. Our members are the greatest members that you'll ever find. There are some amazing traders in there. Everyone's willing to help. And then talk to our moderators as well. Talk to the professional traders that are in there. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. Like, really take advantage of the 7 days that you're going to be with us. Okay. So welcome all of our trial members. And Dylan, congrats, man. I'm proud of you. Not proud of you. I'm happy for you. I will be proud of you soon. I already know it. I already know you're a hardworking dude. I can tell. Like, I see the excitement. I think I'm really excited for you. I really am. I'm really excited for you. Sweet. And I look forward to trading with all of you. I do. It's been one hell of a run. I'm telling you, man, this market, I don't think that we're going to go back to the pre-pandemic market. You know, for me to sit here and tell you guys, it's almost every day that there's a 50, 60, 100% gain going off inside of True Trading Group. And that is not typically normal. Anyone that's been trading for like 10 years or more, you guys know that you go back to 2013, right? Let's go back 10 years ago, 2013. The SPY on any given day maybe moved 70 cents from high to low. Now it moves $7. You know, to see NVDA, you know, this mega tech company up 8% in one day. In 2013, in order for a stock to be up 8%, there would have had to have been some massive piece of news. A company the size of NVIDIA to be up 8% without a massive news release. This is the environment that we find ourselves in. a $2 to $3 trillion company like Microsoft or Apple to literally go up or down hundreds of billions of dollars in market cap in a single day? That's what's happening on a daily basis. It's not normal. You used to have to really search and look and scan. It was wait, scan, search, wait, scan, search, wait, scan, search, pull the trigger. The opportunities were there. They just weren't this abundant. There weren't this many, and they weren't this easy to spot. That's a difference between this environment and the environment that you go back to 2013, 2011, 2012, like coming out of the wake of the 08, 09 financial crisis, the volatility, you know, after you came out of the recession and you got past the foreclosure crisis, man, volatility was like this compared to where it is now. And volatility, like you heard me say on the live stream clips from before, volatility is opportunity. Volatility, all it means is bigger moves and faster moves in individual stocks in the market themselves. And those bigger and faster moves create opportunities for us to make money. That's how we're able to sit here and tell you, oh yeah, no, 60% gain today, you know, 70% gain before lunchtime. Like that's not normal. And it's everywhere you look. It's small caps, it's mid caps, it's large caps, it's stocks, it's options, it's futures, it's oil stocks, it's financial stocks, it's tech stocks, it's travel stocks, it's electric vehicle stocks. I mean, it's AI stocks. It's any sector that you, solar stocks, any sector that you look at, you have massive, massive moves. Like look FSLR today, up $7.50. Why? I don't know. Just because this is what happens in the markets. Meta from 298 all the way to 308. A $10 move in Meta. Why? Was there news? No. What about Tesla? Tesla from the lows all the way up towards high. Like look at some of these candles. Look at this candle right here. 281 high to 261 low. That's a $20 move in Tesla from high to low. This is what is out there, guys. This is what is possible. These are the opportunities that I'm referring to when I'm telling you, if you are still sitting on the sidelines, you are missing out on the greatest trading environment that I've ever seen. And I do believe that this is the new normal. I think it's technology. I think it's the advancements of technology. It's the ease of access. Again, think about how easy it is now for you to jump into a community of thousands of traders, all just congregate somewhere, share ideas, go over analysis. Before, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, if you were a retail trader, you were stranded on an island by yourself with no one other than Wilson to play with. There was no way for you to talk to other traders. The only person you talked to was your stockbroker, and stockbrokers have become completely obsolete and extinct because of the ease of access. No one needs a stockbroker anymore. You are your own stockbroker. You can take control of your own money. And I got news for you. And listen, I'm not trying to be my experience with stockbrokers. We may have some that are on this live stream or maybe some former stockbrokers. But let me tell you something. My experience working on Wall Street, stockbrokers never knew their ass from their elbow. Stockbrokers are not good at picking stocks. They're just good at selling you stocks. And they make a commission off of the trades that you make. Oh, you want the stockbroker to make a trade for you? No problem. They're going to charge you $50. They're going to charge you $100 to place the trade. But they're not going to actually sit there and give you any type of meaningful analysis. You can do your own analysis now. You can join communities like True Trading Group. You can have access to tools like we have on our platform, like Benzinga Pro's newsfeed, Quote Media's Full Book Level 2, Trading Views charting software, the Trade Ideas Scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, a trading journal, social sentiment scanner, analyst rating. All of these things are on the True Trading Group platform, all included in your annual membership when you guys become part of the family. You never had access to that before, ever. You wanted to be a stock picker, you had to watch TV and read the Wall Street Journal, and then good luck. You had access. You had no access to other information before. Now you look at what's happening now with the ease of access, social media, the role that's played. And now you look at AI. If you are not a part of Angel, I'm so proud of you, man. I'm so happy for you. Angel, you're like one of my favorite stories. If you're not part of TTG, you will miss guidance during the day. I'm about to start remodeling parts of my house with profits. The feeling is amazing. Thank you, TTG. Hell yeah, Angel. So Angel is basically taking his trading profits and reinvesting it back into his house and increase the value. Take increasing value from one asset and dump it into another and increase the value of that asset. Great job, Angel. I'm happy for you and your family, bro. You got to send me pictures. Send me before and after pictures. All right, like tag me on Twitter. Anyone, if you guys don't follow me, you guys can go follow me on Twitter or X, whatever. Okay, my handle is at Mike Edward _TTG. Again, it is at Mike Edward _TTG. But yeah, Angel, you got to send me before and after pictures, bro. I'm excited for you, man. I can't wait to see it. Happy for you. All right, let's get on over to Amazon and let's talk about how did I know Amazon was going to do this today? Why did I tell you yesterday 138? I'm going to be a buyer. What was so special about 138? Great. I'm going to talk you through the entire thought process, and you'll notice everything I'm going to explain to you, none of it includes a special secret, but all of it includes a thought process and analysis that every single one of you is going to be able to understand. I don't want you to be intimidated by what you see on this chart. It's a lot easier to actually understand what's on this chart than you may think. And I'll teach you guys how to read this chart. I'll teach you how to read charts. I'll teach you how to use indicators. That's all the easy stuff. The hard part of trading is what goes on up here. The easy part is what you see on the screen. That's the easy part. Okay, when I see this candle, what does it mean? This. When I see this pattern of candles, what usually happens? That, right? That's the easy part. I'll teach you guys how to do all that. The hard part is the way that you think and making decisions while controlling your emotions. You don't ever want your emotions to make decisions for you. You want to have a predetermined game plan so that you can take emotions completely out of the equation. My game plan with Amazon, the reason why I told you last night, this is my number one long idea for the day, is because Amazon has two things working in its favor from a fundamental standpoint. One, they just had blowout earnings. Okay, so Amazon, this big gap up that you guys see, this huge gap up, I'm going to delete everything on the screen to clean this up for you guys. This huge gap up, that was earnings. Okay, this was earnings. And the stock had this huge gap up, right? So you have a positive catalyst with good earnings. But what happened over the last 2 weeks in the SPY? Right now, let's go back to the SPY and you see the markets have gone down, right? And also the same thing applies. Same thing goes for the NASDAQ, okay? 2 consecutive red weeks for the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's been on a tear, was up 44% this year. And now you can see it, 2 consecutive red. All right, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. I just got disconnected. I'm not sure what just happened there, but I just reconnected. I am back. All right, sorry about that. All right, so we're back. So you've been having this pullback, right, in the overall markets, okay? So there's 2-week pullback in the markets, but then Amazon has not given you that same type of pullback. Amazon has just been drifting in a very controlled pullback. While the market has been selling off, you've had Amazon stay above a big support level, right? So big support level here. What is that big support level? It's right here around 136, 137. We talked about it on the live stream last night. So you can see here, this used to be a level of resistance for Amazon. We gapped above that level after earnings. And while the market was selling off, Amazon just did nothing but pull back into that previous resistance level and start to hold support. Now, this is just called, okay, this is just called relative strength, right? Relative strength. When the stock market is going down, you want to be paying attention to what stocks are still holding above a key support level. So then when the market reaches a support level and you believe the market's going to bounce off that support level, you look for the stock that's still above support to also bounce with it. That is relative strength. And that thought process can help keep you on the right side of the market. It can help you swim downstream, not upstream. It's a lot easier to go with the flow of the market than it is to go against it. On a day when the stock market is ripping higher, you don't want to be trying to short everything, right? If the market's really ripping, don't try to be shorting stuff. If the market's really crashing, don't try to be long. Try to find relative strength and relative weakness so that, okay, the market's going down, 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 short things that are weak, short things that are weak. Market's going down, short things that are weak. Then market comes to a support level like we just talked about. I'll go back to the SPY. Right, and we talked about this earlier on the live. We talked about this on the live stream last night. We get to this big support level that used to be resistance. And then you get to the 50-day moving average. And I told you last night, I believe the market is set up for a technical bounce off this level. So if we think the market's going to bounce, we got to look and see which stocks are still strong. Let's get long those stocks. This isn't rocket science. This is not me saying, oh, this special mathematical equation that you need to have graduated Harvard in order to understand. No, I'm not telling you some special secret formula that I learned on Wall Street that you have to have Wall Street experience. Otherwise, you're not going to know what the hell I'm talking about. This is pretty straightforward. So if I think the SPY is going to bounce from this level, we look at Amazon and say, wow, Amazon never broke below that support level. So Amazon's probably going to bounce too, because Amazon's one of the stronger stocks in the market, right? I didn't go and say, let's get long Tesla. Why would I don't want to get long Tesla, because look what Tesla's done. Tesla has been one of the weaker stocks. Tesla's been selling off with the rest of the market. So that's not going to be the stock that I'm going to want to go and I'm going to want to buy and I'm going to want to go get long. Why would I want to do that? I'd rather get long the stock that's been holding up the best, and that's going to be Amazon. So now let's talk about the 137 support level, right? That's the support, 137. I'm going to delete this. Let's go to a shorter time frame so you guys can see this in a little bit more detail, right? Here's your support level at 137, okay? There it is, right? Now you can see it even more clearly. Look at that. Beautiful level of support, right? There it is. Nice little double bottom right there. Beautiful support level. So now today, why did I not buy this? Why did I buy the stock up here at 138? Right? Why didn't I wait all the way down until here to buy the stock? Well, let me explain to you guys why. Because this is for me specifically. When you have a support level that you say, I want to get long in front of this level, or I want to, hey, 137 is support. I like Amazon long. I'm going to buy Amazon. Don't wait for 137 to be tested. Buy in front of support. Sell in front of resistance, right? So what I said was, I'll buy it at 138, knowing 137 is support. If we break under 137, then I'm going to get out of the trade, because then I'm wrong. 137, I think, is support, and I'm going to buy the stock, and we're going to look for the stock to move higher. If it breaks 137, I'm out. Simple enough, right? That's why I did that. And I said, hey, I think we have $3 of upside. We have $1 of risk. I'll take it. 3-1. I like it, right? We always look for trades that are at least a 2-1, right? We're looking at now a 3-1 from 138 to 141. It's a $3 move, okay? And then from 138 to 137 stop loss, that's a $1 move. So if we're right, we're going to make $3. If we're wrong, we're going to lose $1. That's exactly the type of setup that we want to look for. And that's exactly the type of setup that we go after. That's why we got long Amazon right there at 138. Stop loss was right underneath 137. So here was the stop loss underneath 137. And then we got this beautiful move and we're ripping profits off into those new highs. Right now, you just heard me give you this explanation of why I made this trade and why Amazon was one of my top trade ideas for the day. Not one point, at not one moment did you hear me talk about Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci levels, right? Not one moment did you hear me talk about stochastics or anchored VWAPs or, Elliott wave or, the Fibonacci fan or the Andrews pitchfork is another one. Regression channels, speed line, these are all additional indicators that you probably have on your charting softwares. You didn't hear me mention one of those. If you can start thinking this way, you're going to have a hell of a lot of an easier time making money. And that's why Amazon was our top idea, right? Exactly. Janelle says simple trade, just knowing where support and resistance is. Absolutely. That's it. Having confidence in my analysis, knowing that this stock is a strong stock, and if the markets are going to bounce, this stock probably moves higher with it. That was the thought process, and that was the whole premise behind the trade. But how did I know the market was going to bounce? Well, I didn't know it was going to bounce. I thought it was going to bounce, but why? Well, I thought it was going to bounce because I know in technical analysis 101 that resistance, when broken, often becomes support, especially on the first test. So this is the first time that we've gotten back to retest this previous double top resistance that you had on the SPY. Once you broke above it, the market just rallied. You never pulled back to retest this level. This on Friday was the very first test of that support level. And once we tested that level, we bounced off. You see this nice little green candle that gets put in there. That means that means the stock, the market, the SPY closed higher than where we opened, and you get this green candle. So that means we opened up, we put in lows, and we pushed all the way to the upside. We closed up off of those lows, and that shows you buying pressure off of that support level. That's a successful test and hold of that support level. And that's why I said, okay, well, then I think that since that level held, I think it used to be resistance. Now it's support. Let's see if we get a bounce. That's why I thought the SPY was going to bounce, right? You had that previous resistance, and then you had the 50-day moving average, the dark blue line. That's what I think gives us the upside move. And then that's when we go ahead and get long Amazon. And it was a beautiful trade. Congratulations to all of our members that capitalized on this Amazon position today. Was perfectly analyzed and perfectly executed. It was just, the stock never gave us a moment of worry, never gave us a moment of concern, and never went against us. From the moment we entered this position, the stock just went up. And yeah, there was a pullback in the middle of the day, but it never went back to where we entered the trade. This thing, we were in the green the entire day. There was never any like, ooh, we're almost at the stop loss. We're nervous. No, this thing just popped early, gave you a pullback midday, and then rallied back into the close. Close at the dead high of the day. I'm still long a piece. We'll see if we get more upside. Congratulations, my TC fam that capitalized on this trade. And congratulations to Dylan on winning the membership. And congratulations to all of our new trial members for taking the step, making the decision to join the trial. Get your butts in chat. Go to ttgthree.com. If you guys have not joined the trial yet, it's a one-time payment of $3. There's no automatic renewal. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no automatic upgrade. After your trial is over, it just expires and you're never charged anything ever again. Go to ttg3, spelled out, ttgthree.com. That's ttg3.com. Enter your name, email, phone number. Click yes, I want this, fill out the form, and you guys, welcome to our trial membership. Get your butts in chat. You have 7 trading days. The weekend does not count. You have 7 trading days with us inside of chat. All right. And if you guys have any questions at all, you can send us a text message at any moment. We're fully transparent. We're an open book. You have questions about me, the mods, our trading, our platform. You have questions about the trial, questions about our courses, questions about the tools that are available. Because don't forget, when you join our platform, you get access to $5,000 to $6,000 worth of premium stock market tools that give you more information and help you make better decisions. You get access to some of them also with your trial membership. You don't get all of them with your trial. You get access to many of them, though, with your trial membership. So go ahead, join the trial. It's $3. Get your butts in chat, and then make sure that you guys download the mobile app so you can follow along if you are not in front of your computer. All right? Send us a text message if you guys have questions, 786-505-4049. Phone number is right down there at the bottom of the screen, guys. If you have questions, 786-505-4049. Again, guys, congratulations on what was a great day for us. Excellent analysis. I got some more ideas for tomorrow. We'll talk about them tomorrow, guys. Get your butts in chat, my TTG fam. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. If you're still not a member, maybe after watching this live stream, at least maybe now you're going to start paying a little bit more closer attention to the things that we say. Because when I tell you things on this live stream, I'm not just doing it for sales. I'm doing it because I genuinely believe this is how I'm going to make money. And that is why I share that information with you, so that hopefully you can also take that information to make money as well. Because at the end of the day, that is our goal. That's your goal. And being on this live stream, that's my goal in creating True Trading Group. That is our goal as a community every single day. Go to ttgthree.com, join the trial. Otherwise, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. I'll see you all in chat tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody. Take care.